Where do pets and farm animals live? Where does the cow live? In the den. In the nest. In the barn. Yes, the cow lives in the barn. Where does the horse live? In the anthill. In the aquarium. In the stable. You are right. The horse lives in the stable. Where does the chicken live? In the swamp. In the hole. In the coop. Well done. The chicken lives in the coop. Where does the bee live? In the kennel. In the sea. In the hive. Yes, the bee lives in the hive. Where does the dog live? In the nest. In the anthill. In the kennel. Well done. The dog lives in the kennel. Subscribe for more educational cartoons.